Gary, can you tell us a little bit about your experience and how that is leading to the remarkable discoveries that you're making today?
As a result of a near-fatal logging accident, I come to the realization that I only had one option. That was either to accept it or to do something about it. If I wanted it to be different, it was my responsibility to change my life.
I ran 2 races, a total of 500 miles in the Alaska wilderness with only 8 days of experience behind a dog team, and I didn't quit. So think of your goal, feel the passion come up inside of you, and forget about all the stuff on the side that's trying to convince you you can't do it. Yes, you can do it.